Yo, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kelly Monero, and I'm back at you with some more crypto news. First of all, we're going to start this segment off how I like to start it. Let me get right. Let me get right. You dig? Oh yeah. Now, we have some interesting topics that we want to talk about today. Yesterday, we got cut off a little early. It's kind of rushing. Shouldn't be never making videos when you're rushing. But you also shouldn't make rush decisions. But we're going to make up for that today, hopefully. I want to jump into some things that got my attention. First of all, I had to get right. Now, after I didn't get right, let me put on a little radio for y'all. You know, I love to hit that radio, get me some tunes going, man, when I'm in this. You got to have a little fun with this crypto, man. You just can't be stiff. Can't be a stiff. With the low cut. All right. Ripple. I love saying Ripple to this song. Ripple. Absolutely amazing. Ripple has returned to $2 again, as you can see, even though it is 10% down. Bitcoin compared to yesterday is up about 5%, 5.21. Very good for Bitcoin. We want it to go a little higher. We want that granddaddy to move. Because when the granddaddy of the market moves, the whole fucking market moves. You know what I'm saying? Just something I observed, you know, after watching the market for a while. But let's get into it. So today, hopefully a lot of you have been following my journey. Today I'm going to log into BitConnect. Let's see what they say. With the low cut, Ripple, absolutely amazing. Anyway, we'll be back soon. That's what we got for BitConnect. So BitConnect today, excuse me, a little gas. What was that again? BitConnect, yes. BitConnect will be down for maintenance today. It looks like it. So there will be checking. There will be no checking of the BitConnect until they get down back. They have been on maintenance before. I'm not too worried about them being on maintenance. Their coin is still on market cap in, I believe, around 18th to 20th place. Up, they have dropped and fallen back. Excuse me. They are at 28th place. They're in 28th place on the coin market cap. And they're currently still at $319.25. They've been going through a lot of things, you know, especially with the BitConnect X coming out. I don't know how many people know about the exchange, but United States of America is not allowed to participate in that. Not so sure why, you know, don't really care. You know, as long as BitConnect keeps going and its respects and continues to deliver more cash, baby. That's all we care about. I mean, to be honest, you know, I like to be honest. Some of you not being honest. You're only in this shit not for the love of cryptocurrency. You're in this shit for the love of money. Now stop playing with yourselves. Trying to get your family right, just like me. So let's get to it. My baby Doge. She doesn't seem to be moving up today. Let's see. D-O-G, Dogecoin. 89 BTC. Yesterday, this coin was sitting at around 94, 93 for pretty much most of the day. So it looks like they say it's down. They say it's up 2.8%, 2.9. Well, 2.89%. But actually, it is down. And that's why you see the red right there, because it's been up at higher numbers or whatever. So, we down for the day. Another coin I like to talk to y'all about is low-key underestimated. It's called Redcoin. That's with 2 D's. Redcoin Oh wait. Oh wait. I'm about to put that out for y'all. Oh yeah, I put that out for y'all. Oh yeah. But anyway, Redcoin is another decentralized cryptocurrency, but it focuses. Let's go to the website. It focuses on the social media aspect of it. Should be a good coin to invest in. I'm loving what they're about so far. So far, I love what they're about. And also has a wallet. You know, I definitely love the. If you take a look at this thing, it's about the social media aspect of it. See me rolling around this thing right here. You know what I'm saying? Redcoin community website, redheads.com. That sounds like some freaky shit. Sounds like some freaky shit, but it's some money shit. Get your mind right. Anyway, now we're gonna scroll up. You dig? And we pretty much gonna scroll up out of this one. I just want you to see their website. When you get time, check them out, man. I kid you not. You might think, wow, you know what I'm saying? This is something worth investing in. Plus, if you divide this pretty here number by this pretty here number, or vice versa, you will get this pretty here number, which tells you that this coin is actually being upright and honest with us as far as the value of it. It's more stuff out, man. Y'all guys just gotta do y'all research and due diligence, man. You know, sometimes I feel a little lost myself, and you know all of that. But you know, I just take a time to take research and research these things. I also look at other people. I know you see Sunny D in the background. Sunny D, get your ass off my shit. Blah, motherfucker. Just click them off. Shut that nigga. Also, I fucks with altcoin buzz. Man, yeah. Coming out with some new shit called Hood Crypto Gods, with me and another cryptocurrency buddy getting together to make this motherfucking money. You know, to let y'all know while we fly past in the Benzes and shit. We can take a look outside too if you want to. We really can. You want to take a look outside? I would like to show you. I'll take a look outside with you maybe a little bit later. Show you that little beds and shit. Show you why we drive our shit like that. But for now, let's take another look at another motherfucking coin that might make some more motherfucking coin money. Y'all ready? Here we go. Money. Dear mama, love you mama. Sire coin, yeah. This coin was at like 2 cents when I got it. No shit. So I'm happy as fuck, even though it's down to 6. It's been all the way at 10. You know, if you look into their website, you'll see they really are on some technical, new advanced type of shit. They're trying to come out with their own decentralized cloud back end. Man, that's some next level shit. I gotta talk to you on my regular hood man book. That's some next level shit, yo. You need to get up top of that. For real, you need to start looking into some of these coins because they could possibly make you a lot of fucking money, as well as me too. And I'm gonna smoke that blunt to this. Yes, I am currently in Sire coin. So if y'all want to pump that shit, pump that shit, pump that shit, pump that shit, pump that shit. Y'all can pump that. Yes, I am in Redcoin. Pump that shit, pump that shit, pump that shit, pump that shit. Remember, man, we all in this together, bro. You know, we all just hustlers trying to make more money, you know, and sharing information with others. It's a part of making more money. Please know that. It is definitely Saturday here in this house. Sorry, but it's feeling better and better every day. You know, I hope everybody's been having a nice kickoff to their weekend. It's been a great crypto update. And remember, I'll let your boy Kelly Monero fuck with those who fuck with you. I fucks with you. We stronger together. Peace.